This week is National Crime Victims' Rights Week, and as 13 News reporter Lane Ball explains, several organizations are shedding light on the many resources available to help with any situation.
It can happen to anyone, anywhere, at any time.
There are a lot of things going on in the world, and anybody could become a victim of crime.
During National Crime Victims' Rights Week, organizations like Ramey East Step are spreading the message, how would you help?
Just to make sure that they're aware, when I say they, the community is aware of what resources are out there, and also to ask, what else can we do?
Whether it's a misdemeanor or a felony, no matter what the situation is, services are available to help the victims and survivors. And while it can get confusing trying to find the right organization, there are people ready to step in and make the process as easy as possible.
Legal Aid of the Bluegrass, we have Ramey East Step, Regroup, which is behavioral health care, linking resources, Primary Plus, we've got St. Clair's, we've got our local domestic violence shelter. There are great resources out here, and if we can't provide that service, we could link you to someone who can.
But this week is more than just about the helping hands. Victims and survivors also have the right to be notified of arrests, important court dates in the case, and other information before, during, and after a criminal trial. Commonwealth Attorney Rhonda Copley, who works alongside victim advocates, is echoing that statement, saying some victims are cooperative and want to come in, but as you can imagine, some people don't want to be involved in the prosecution of the case, and that happens. But we reach out to every victim. A common goal of making sure every crime victim's needs are met. In Ashland, Lane Ball, 13 News.